I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Italian vegetarian lentil dip. Now, with a lot of dips, you need to take your ingredients and throw them in the food processor, and that's how you get them kind of smooth and homogeneous. With lentils, you don't really have to do that, because if you use the right kind of lentils, then they basically form kind of a slurry just by cooking them. Now, got three kinds of lentils here. These are black beluga lentils. They are small lentils. They hold their shape when you cook them, and they're good for salads. These are French lentils. They also hold their shape and they're good for salads. These are the most common kinds of lentils. They're known as gray-green lentils. And they're the kind of lentils you use in lentil soup. They're the kind of lentils that I'm using in this recipe. So I've cooked them, and they've gotten kind of mashed up there. Now I'm going to add some olive oil, some red wine vinegar, a little bit of feta cheese. Just give it a little kick. Green onions, chopped parsley, and some salt. I'm just going to mix this up together. Make it nice and smooth. You can dip vegetables in it. You can spread it on crackers. You can dip chips in it. And there you have an Italian vegetarian lentil dip.